Hi everyone, Erica here is part of the Traci Reed team in celebration of her new collection called Wildflower. Please check out everybody else participating in the hop as well as the collection in the links below. Now when I first saw this jean pocket paper, as you can see, my cutting mat has been bogarted by my toddler and beautifully decorated by her, might I add. I knew I wanted to make this into a functional jean pocket, so I just created a slit, added some foam adhesive on the inside of it, and glued it down just to make sure that when I slide that journaling in and out, it does not get lost and it stops exactly where I need it to. This design is one of my favorite go-to designs. It's just a basic offset grid, and sometimes I will even reverse the color scheme where the background paper will be the rainbow paper and then the forefront paper will be like a neutral or a black stripe paper. Now today I'm documenting a couple of photos of my kiddo. She's 4 years old, and there are just some pieces of life for her right now that I would like to record. Like for example, her favorite food is quesadillas. She likes Brussels sprouts, but she hates the loud sound of the blender. Just little things here and there that I'm sure she'll appreciate to read about later in life and give her the warm and fuzzies. So here, as you can see, my photos are mounted on something. So what I've been doing over the past year is saving any of that thinner cardboard that is on the backs of paper pads or any chipboard that's included with any of my paper deliveries so the paper won't get smushed in transit. And I've been saving this, and the thinner cardboard I will glue together in one stride. This is what I will use to mount all of my elements on. And I have gone through all of my foam adhesive tape, but I really try to be frugal with my scrapbooking, and it's really saved me a lot of time and saved me a lot of money. So I pass that tip on to you, should that be helpful. Another thing that I've been doing is I've been mocking up my pages first in the Canva phone app. This allows me to play around with the elements and just send it to my printer to print it out. I cut it out and then, as you can see, piece it all back together. And it really allows me to save on time. I already know what the configuration is going to be. And lastly, and my favorite, is I only print what I need, so I do not get stuck with scraps and waste more paper. And that is pretty much it. Lastly, I am just creating the flight paths for these cute butterflies. There are some flight paths included in the digital kit. I just didn't want to print that out and cut it out because I would have to keep the white background, and I feel like this looks much cuter. But apart from that, that's pretty much it. A quick and simple page with a little bit of beauty and an important update for my kiddo. I hope this inspired you, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!